Mary Rose Licious Mako, one of the Silvertek LMS Nexus member. I will be your guide on how to create and manage classes in the Silvertek LMS. First, open your Silvertek LMS and click Classes on the upper right of the system dashboard. To add classes, as I've previously done, begin by editing the current school year and quarter. Once that's updated, click on Create New Section. Upon doing so, you'll be directed to this area, Create Section here. Fill in all the required details as needed. Begin by choosing the class type, either advisory or regular class. Then, input the section name, followed by selecting the grade level. Next, determine the class mode. Select Self-Contained for advisory classes or Team Teaching for regular classes. Finally, indicate if the class belongs to the STE, Science, Technology, and Engineering curriculum by selecting Yes or choose No if it doesn't. Once you've selected subject and complete all the required fields, ensure you upload either the Student's Master List or the School Form 1, SF1, generated from the LIS, Learner Information System. Finally, click on Save to complete the process. Upon clicking Save, the system will notify you with a message confirming the successful creation of your section. The newly added section is visible in the Advisory section. As I noted in my other tutorial about preparing the Student's Master List, you can access the Student List template in the Downloads section of the system dashboard. To access the homepage of your classes, simply click on the respective class, which will prompt an area to open. If you wish to remove a subject from your classes, highlight the class or subject by clicking on it, then use the Remove Class icon. That covers everything related to the creation and managing classes in Silvertek LMS. For additional tutorials, please visit the community forum at depedson.net and click the Silvertek LMS section.